Hey everyone, let's get to it. Take a look where the primary y-axis zero value is and compare it to the position of the zero value on the secondary axis. Clear misalignment. First thing that we're going to do is format the axis of the primary. Now the easiest way to do this is to ensure the two axes have the same ratio of the maximum value to the minimum value. In other words, we're going to change the values of both primary and secondary y-axis. Make sure they're even. Let's do the same for the secondary axis. The window shows up, and like I said, we're going to even these numbers out. Equal ratio, and there you have it. Both primary and secondary axis are aligned at the zero level. Thanks for watching.